Hello, good morning. Good morning to all. I guess only Jehoan will join because Sam and Ambigi, they are on leave. So, can you hear me? Am I audible?
Yes, Arun.
Good morning, sir.
Just give me a second. Yeah, am I audible? Okay. So, yeah, we can do one thing either that you have any doubt in the previous chapter, then we can do that chapter. Do you have any doubt?
So, the 20th chapter, sir, the one we did before the holidays, I had doubts and
Hmm.
I'm not done with it. So, I was going to ask if we can have the doubt class on Friday or next week because I have to finish that chapter and then
Hmm.
21st chapter, and then I can do all the doubts together.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay, Joshua, do you have any doubt?
Sir, doubts of the other chapters or only this?
Any doubt because nobody is there moving forward, I guess it's gonna be lost. So if you have any doubt, then ask me.
Okay, sir, let me check. I might have some
Mhm.
doubts.
So, should I ask the ones that I had till now? I think three.
Yes, yes, you can ask.
In chapter 20, terminal exercise, page 474, question 3.
Chapter 20, page
474.
hmm. Page 474. Which question?
Third question.
This one.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so for example, this is a square field. Okay. Now the boundary is basically A. So a person starts working from this and then it goes to B and then it goes to C, then it goes to D, and then it's come back to A. Okay. Now it is given that the area is 40,000 meters square. Yes, 40,000 meters square. So I don't know the what is the total perimeter, like total distance he covered. For finding it, for finding it, we know the area of square is equals to side into side, or we can write a square. Okay. Now the area of square is given as 40,000 is equals to a square. This square will go ahead and it will become root. So it will become a as 20 or 200. Four zeros are there, huh? Yeah, 200. So the a which is the sides, I got 200. Now total distance covered by him 200 meter. Okay. Total distance is 4 into 800. Sorry, 4 into 200 which will become 800 meter. I have to change into kilometer, making it 0.8 kilometer. Now we have to find the time. So distance is equals to speed upon time. Now distance is given as 0.8 is equals to speed is given as 4 upon time. So it will become time is equals to 4 upon 0.8. Now it will become 10. It will become 1. It will become 2. It will become 1. It will become 5. That means that 5 hours he will take. It is too slow, no? 5 hours.
I also got the same answer, but the book is 12 minutes. So, like, if I calculate it backwards, the answer is right. But if I'm going to the distance and speed of a formula, then it's coming wrong.
Means
I also did this distance equals, I did speed equals distance upon time. So when I did that, even I got 5 hours. So, but in the book,
mm,
5 minutes.
just give me a second. Mm, mm. Some mistakes we are doing. Yeah, 0.5 should come. I wrote the wrong form. That's why I'm saying what mistake I did. Speed is equals to distance upon time. Okay. So if I will write the time is equals to distance upon speed. Distance is given 0.8 upon speed is given 4. So it will become like this. This will become 1, this will become 2, this will become 1, this will become 5. So it's 1 by 5 hour. And if I will change in minute, so 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 60 upon 5, which will become 12 minutes. Understood? You did the same formula mistake?
Yeah, I wrote speed equals distance into time.
Wow. Next.
Next one, I don't know how to solve on the same page, the sixth question, second one.
The same page, sixth question, second one. two adjacent side of a triangle is, adjacent triangle is 13 and 14 centimeter, and one diagonal is 15 centimeter. So what we have to find? We have to find the area of that. So yeah, how will you find it? So if I will make that diagram, this is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. Now, for example, this is 13 centimeter, and this is 14 centimeter, and the diagonal is given, which is 15 centimeter. So how will you find it? No idea?
I don't remember. You had given one formula, I think, where the area is equal to the product of the diagonals, but I don't remember that, and I don't know how to find the hyperbolas.
By Heron's formula. Like we have this triangle ADC, na? We have three sides. We can find the area, and the same area will be ABC also. We have to multiply it by 2. Understood? By the Heron's formula, you have to solve this. Just give me a second, I'll bring my water bottle. Hmm.
Last one, I'm just not sure how to draw the diagram in question 9. Same page.
Question 9, same page. Find the area of plot. This question, no? So we have to make the diagram like this. A, B, C, D, in which BD is a diagonal, and whose diagonal is 20 meter. This is 20 meter, and whose, like, the length of perpendicular is given, no? So length of perpendicular gonna be like this. Okay, so this is 12 meter, and this is 18 meter, like this. Understood?
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, next.
I don't have any more doubts yet.
Okay. Joshua, your doubt, please.
Sir, I have a question in surface area and volume.
Chapter number
Chapter number 21.
21, no? Yeah. Yeah.
It's CYP 21.1, question number 1.
21.1. Question number 1.
Yeah.
Find the surface area and volume of a cuboid. This one?
Yeah, I think. get it. I didn't get cuboid.
Okay, so do you know the formula?
I think I written the formula. I didn't remember it though.
Okay, so you should know the cuboid formula, that cuboid, which is TSA, means total surface area, which is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. This is the total surface area formula. You should remember it, okay? Okay. Next is LSA, which is also called as lateral surface area. The formula is 2H into L plus B. Did you understand? And volume, which is L into B into H. These are the three formula that we have to use. Okay. Now we have to find surface area. So always surface area is related to the TSA. Always. Now in this question, what is given? In this question, it's given that length is 6 centimeter. That length is equals to 6 meter. Breadth is equals to 3 meter. And height is equals to 2.5 meter. So we have to put the values into this to find the TSS. So I will do one, like 2 into L is given, which is 6 meter. So I will not write meter. 6 into 3 plus B, which is 3 into H. H is equals to 2.5 plus 2.5 into 6. Understood? No.
So we're using the TSA formula.
Yeah. You're just placing the values into. Then simply solve it. Like 6 is 18. 3 into 2.5 is how much? 7.5, I guess. And 6, 3 is 12, 15. Okay. So TSA is equals to 15, 33, 33 and 40.5. So 2 into 40.5, it will make 81 centimeter square. Understood?
Okay.
Hmm.
So then what happens to the 0.5? 40, it's decimal.
Yeah, decimal. So like 40.5 is given when you multiply it by 2. So 2, 5s are 10, 0 will come, 1 will go in the next, like upward. 2, 0 are 0, 2, and then 1 will come, and then 2, 4s are 8. Now, like in the first value, it is the, like after decimal, only one value is there, which is 0.5. In the same way, here it also point will come, so 81.0.
So we just need to, if it's 0, we just need to write 81.
Yeah, 81. Like after point only 0 is there, na? That's why. Next doubt. Jahovan? Jahovan, do you have any doubt, beta?
No, sir. And
Not from the previous chapter. Yeah?
sorry for joining late. My device had died.
No, it's okay, but you're not from the previous chapter 21, 20.
No, I don't have any doubts on the previous chapter.
Okay. Yes, Joshua, next doubt.
So I don't have any doubts. I'll
You
check the
don't have any doubt?
statistics.
Okay. Then today we'll start then new topic, or what we can do. Okay. So today we will learn about distance formula. The topic is distance formula. Now, what do you mean by distance formula? Okay. So now understand it like this, that there is a formula called as distance formula, which is used to find the distance between two coordinates. So for example, this is a graph. This is y-axis. This is x-axis. This is negative y-axis. And this is negative x-axis. Okay. So now there are 2 points. Like for example, this is 1 point and this is another point. And the coordinates of this is 2 comma 7, and the coordinates of this is minus, sorry, not minus, will become 8 comma minus 5. For example, I'm taking, okay, for example. Okay. So now if they ask you to find the distance between them, if they ask you to find the distance between them, these 2 points, I'll name it like this is A and this is B. So if they ask you to find the distance between them, so how will you find it? So there's a formula called as distance formula, which is AB distance is equals to x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Okay, x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Okay, now what is x, what is y? So I told you always that coordinates are written in the form of x comma y. Yes, x comma y. So for anybody you can take x1 or x2. Okay, there is no boundation. So for example, this is first, so I will write x1 comma y1 like here, and x2 comma y2 here. So in this, what is x1? X1 is 2. What is x2? X2 is 8. Okay, what is y1? Y1 is 7. And what is y2? Y2 is minus 5. So we have all this thing. So now AB is equals to root of x2 minus x1, which is 8 minus 2 square, plus y2 minus y1 is minus 5 minus 7 square. So AB is equals to root of 6 square and then minus 12 square. So AB is equals to 36 plus 144. So AB is equals to root of 180. So now, because it's not a perfect square, perfect root, so we can do the prime factorization, so that the maximum value what we can find, we can use that. So it will become 90, then 2, then 45, then 3, then sorry, 15, then 3, 5, 5, 1. So it can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. Now because we are finding square root, so we can only use two values. So this 2 and this 2 will come forward. Out of this, only one 2 is allowed. So AB is equals to 2 into 3 root 5, because 5 has no pair, so it will remain inside. So AB is equals to 6 root 5 units. You have to write units behind the distance, okay? Units. Units is basically one square is told as 1 unit. So there are this much units are found. Understood? No. No? Everyone understood? Joshua, Jahoan?
Can you tell about the
Yeah.
units again?
Units are in the graph paper. We have square thing, no square.
Yeah.
So it means that between A and B there are 6 root 5. Like if you will check the units, so that is there.
Okay.
Okay, understood, Jahovan? Quickly write it down. Done. Shall I erase this? Writing, that is all. Okay. Jahovan, you wrote all this thing?
I wrote the formula and everything. I didn't write the example down.
Okay. Joshua, you wrote? Done? Shall I erase this?
Yes, sir.
And now do this question, everyone. I'm giving you 4 minutes, then I will start.
Sir, so we can name it X2, Y2.
Yeah, x1. Like if you want to take this as x1 y1, then you can take. Like there is no foundation. Like in the first part, x1 you can take this, x2 you can take this. So x1 y1, x2 y2, x1 y1, x2 y2. Anybody you can take.
Okay.
Hannah, is it same?
Made a mistake on substituting the x and y values.
Okay, what mistake you did?
I did I took the x and y instead of x2 and x1. So it was like 8 minus 6 plus whole square plus minus 12 plus 9 the whole square.
No, no, no. The like for example, two coordinates are given. Na? So first coordinate will consider as x1, y1, and the second coordinate is considered as x2, y2, like this. Okay, Joshua, you
Sir,
got it?
sir, I'm still doing.
Done. What is second answer, Johan?
96, sir.
96. No, 96 won't be answer.
Is it 12, sir?
What? What? Ask me, beta.
Was it 12, sir?
You're saying answer. See, now I'm writing the value so that you won't be confused. Like for example, I'm taking this is x1 y1 and this is as x2 y2. Okay. Now x2 is -6, so -6 I wrote. Minus was like formula is minus, no, so I write minus here. And x1 is also -6, so I wrote like this. In the same way, y2 is 11, I wrote 11. Minus sign was there, so minus sign I wrote. And the y1 is -1, so minus of -1. Okay. So now if I will solve it, so AB is equals to this will become -6 plus 6 square plus 11 plus 1 square. So AB is equals to 0 square plus 12 square. So AB is equals to root of 12 square. So AB is equals to 12 units. Did you understand, guys? Did you understand, Hannah? You got the same answer, Hannah?
Yes, sir.
Jahovan, where you did mistake, beta?
I made a small mistake with the integers at all. Instead of 0 square, I did, what's that? 12
Okay,
square.
Josh. Okay, no problem. We will find out. Joshua, you got it, beta?
I got the first one, but then I messed up the formula.
Okay. So you have to learn how to solve it, okay? So I'll give you some homework, not more homework, but some homework I will give. Uh, this is your homework. Which is CYP question number 1 full. Okay, CYP 19.2, page number 443. Question number full, you have to do. 4 questions are there, you have to do it. Okay, so we'll stop here only, and then we'll after 5 minutes we'll start our science class. Till then, bye, Hannah.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Thank Hello. Haven't turned on the camera, please. Just give me a second. Till then, if you have any doubt regarding science, please tell me doubt. Can you hear me, guys? Joshua, Jeshron, Jehoan, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So Joshua have some doubt in science. Please tell me some doubt. Then we'll move forward.
Okay, I need to check, sir.
Yeah,
If
quickly
I
check it. Yeah, Jeshron, do you have any doubt? Please ask me, brother. Jehoan, do you have any doubt, beta, regarding science class? Give me a second. Okay, guys. So you don't have any doubt? Do you want me to move forward? Huh?
no, sir. I don't think I have any doubt.
Okay, Jehoan, Jeshron, do you have any doubt, beta? Are you there? Jehoan and Jeshron, are you there? Yes. Do you have any doubt, beta?
No, sir.
No, sir. Okay. Then we'll move forward. So yesterday we were doing about resistance. So resistance is a substance. We can say it's looking like a pebbles, which used to like disturb the flow of electric current. Understood, guys? No. Hmm? So now today, what we gonna learn? We will learn about the. Today we will learn about the arrangement of resistance. Arrangements of resistance. So it means that resistance can be arranged in the two forms. Resistance can be arranged in the two forms. First is series, and the second is parallel. First is series and second is parallel. It means that in series means, like, first of all, how will you represent resistance in a circuit? So resistance in a circuit is represented by like this. Okay, resistance in circuit is represented by like this. So now, for example, I have one, two, three. Three resistance are arranged in a circuit. Okay, so I'll take it as R1, I'll take it as R2, and I'll take it as R3. This is called a series arrangement. Did you understand? Did you understand? This is called as what? Series arrangement. And if I will take the parallel arrangement, so it gonna be like this. Okay. I will take this as R1, this is as R2, and this is as R3. Okay, this is R1, R2, R3, and here it is R1, R2, and R3. Okay. So now, if I will take this, so in this you can see that the purple is representing the electric current. The purple is representing the electric current, and you can check that electric current, which are coming from the battery. Okay, it is the pathway of electric current is this. Okay, so it means that, for example, 4 ampere is current is going through this. So the 4 ampere current will go in R1 also. Yes, and that straight line is going like there is no differentiate in the pathways, which makes that the current will go from R1, R2, and R3 will be same. Did you understand? No, no, you didn't understand. I'm repeating again, Jahan, please stop writing. First listen now. What is I'm saying that the current which is going through R1, the same current will go through R2 and same current will go through R3. Yes. Now if I will talk about this case, in this case, will the R1, R2, R3 will get same current? No. Why? Because you can check that there is a different pathways created in this case. Now, if the different pathways created, so R1 will have different current, which makes I1. Did you understand what I'm trying to say? Yes. So this will have different current, which is I1. This will have different current, which is I2. This will have different current, which is I3. Understood? No. Hmm? So like I1, I2, and I3, when they will mix up, they will make again I. So I, which is for example 4 ampere. So the 4 ampere releases from the battery. It goes here and it makes different pathway, and then it come back. Okay, and again become I and again going to battery. So in the same way, in this the I remain constant. Constant means for the R1 I is same, for the R2 I is same, for the R3 I is same. But in this case the I is not constant. Why? Because I1 has R1 has different I value, R2 has different I value, and R3 has different I values. Did you understand, guys? No. Ask me if you didn't understand.
Sir, the R1 and the R2 and the R3, and they'll keep on continuing. But
Sorry.
everything will go back and it'll do the same process again and again, right?
Yeah. So whenever the current is releases from the battery, according to the resistance, the I is divided. I told you if the resistance is more, then the current will be more or less.
Sir, if the resistance is more,
More, then current will be
less, right?
yes, less. So for example, if R1 is high resistance, then in this the current will come less. Yes.
Yeah.
So like this. So what was I'm trying to say? I'll write some points. So please don't write right now. First point is I remain constant throughout the circuit. But here I does not remain constant throughout the circuit. Okay. So if I will take this, I will write series here. अरे diagonal parallel here. Okay, now listen, guys. Now this is very important to understand. See, we know the formula V is equals to IR. Like I am talking about the series part. Okay, so we know the formula V is equals to IR. Now I is constant. I is constant mean the I won't change in series. I told you like the I, whatever the I is going in R1, the same I will go in R2, the same I will go in R3. Yes, because there is no different pathway. If I is not changing and if R is changing, then what will change? In these three formulas, we have V as a potential difference, I is the current, and R is the resistance. So if I is not changing and if R is changed, like R has different value like R1, R2, and R3, which makes what difference? Which will make V different. So it means that the potential difference across the resistance will remain different. Did you understand? Like because the I is constant, R is changing, makes the potential difference across the resistors in series are different. Did you understand, guys? I'll repeat it one more time. See, V is equals to IR is the formula. I is not changing in series, but R is become R1, R2, R3. So V will also become V1, V2, V3. For example, for example, if I will take this as 2, this is take as 3, and this is as 4. And I is 4 ampere. So V1 which is potential difference across the resistor 1 will be the I is same which is 4 and R is 2. So V1 will become 8. So it means that in this 8 volt is coming. Understood? Yes or no? Huh? If I will take V2, so what will the value of V2? Just around. What will the value of V2?
3.
No, this is R2 is 3 and the current is 4. We have to multiply it. So V2 will become 12. Okay? 12 volt will be there. Now you tell me with the V3, just around.
16.
Yeah, 60. So it means that you can see, check that I am getting different voltage according to their different potential difference, resistance. Understood? But you will check that the V1, V2, V3, the V1, V2, V3, V1 plus V2 plus V3 is equals to V. Now what is V? This V, the whatever the battery that we are applying in it, that V, that is called as potential difference. It is like 12 volt battery or 90 volt battery. So like 8 plus 6, 36 volt battery is applied in this resistance. That's make 2 ampere through resistance, 3 resistance, 4 resistance in the circuit, and the current is flowing as 4 ampere. Did you understand, guys? Did you understand? No. Any doubt? So yeah, in this potential difference is there, but in this case, the potential difference remains same. It is working as one resistance. The R1 in the parallel and in R2 and R3, the potential difference remains same. Okay. In this, the case is I1 plus I2 plus I3 makes one I. Okay. Now third part. Third part is that it is also called as maximum resistance circuit, and it is also called as minimum resistance circuit. And the fourth point is it is also called as minimum current circuit, and it is also called as maximum current circuit. Now, what does this mean, guys? Please pay attention, okay? What does this mean? It is called as maximum resistance circuit. Which one? Series one. Why? Because in this the addition, like we will do the derivation tomorrow. But what I'm trying to say that R1 plus R2 plus R3, when you will add it, you will get the maximum resistance. You will get what? The maximum resistance. And if maximum resistance is there, then minimum current will be there. I told you that R is indirectly proportional to I. If more R is there, less I will be there. Understood? Yes or no? In the same way, in parallel circuit, if you will check, it is called as minimum resistance circuit. So if minimum resistance is there, then the current from the battery will be more. Did you understand? It will be more. Now write it down quickly. Quickly write it down. I'm giving you 5 minutes. Quickly write it down. Okay, guys. So I hope you write it down. I have to move little forward, little quickly. So we'll end this here only, and then read it, and then tomorrow we'll start the new topic.